for a school or a district to have an easy solution that they can start using on day one with little to no training or prep. That just makes life so much easier for teachers and our students. moozoom has a chance to be a game changer in the market of SEL. You're looking at video showing students being students, and that's critical.
What I like most in moozoom is that it's kind of relatable to my life. In some of the episodes, they would get into like a little argument, and sometimes that would happen to me in real life, and there'd be a way in that episode that you could resolve it.
The teachers, they're gonna just tell you how you should feel, but in moozoom, the kids are showing you and giving you options to see which one might be better.
One thing I learned from moozoom is that you gotta think before you speak or react.
moozoom helps me become a better friend because you should always treat people with kindness.
moozoom is relatable for the students. When they're watching the videos, they can actually see themselves in those situations.
As a teacher, I feel like moozoom provides the excitement that the kids need to learn. And so it's not as daunting to make the time because we're all having fun and learning at the same time.
One of the biggest concerns that we had was just adding extra work to our teachers on the load that they already have. There is zero prep time. Teachers just have to, go in, print out questions, look at the video if they choose to, but then they can just start teaching the lesson.
It's very user-friendly, it's easy to use, there's no prep on my end.
One key thing that moozoom offers compared to any other SEL program we looked at is how student-centered and student-led that the lessons can be. The very first video that we saw with moozoom, it was a diverse cast, which was key because we want all students to be represented.
After using it for 60 days, I do see a lot of them taking a step back, taking a deep breath, and applying what they've learned.